Today it's a new day to go on some adventures. I'm walking a little bit quiet right now because it's 4:30 in the morning and I believe everyone around me is still sleeping. I'm gonna go for sunrise in the desert with a jeep tour. I'm very excited, so let's go! I'm Amber, and for the past 2 years I have been traveling and working around the world. Pursuing my dreams has been the best decision I ever made. Follow me on my journey and learn everything about the tips and tricks along the way. When I got outside it was still completely dark. We started making our way towards the dunes, towards the desert. On our way it was very foggy, a lot of humidity in the air. At one point we couldn't even see the car in front of us anymore. So we also decided to make a little stop in the hope the fog would go away. We anyways had to deflate the tires a little bit because of the dune bashing. And then the whole adventure started. So I'm back on board again. I had a beautiful day today. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening. As you could see, I went for the jeep safari with sunrise in the morning in the desert. It was amazing and I hope to make this trip soon again, probably in 2 weeks. Then we are having an overnight in Abu Dhabi again. When we got back to the ship, my colleague and I, we both had a lot of free time, so we decided to find something to do to explore a little bit in Abu Dhabi. We ended up hiring a double kayak in the Mangrove National Park, where we kayaked for about 1.5 hours because in the end it took a long time to get there and also to get to the decision. So we definitely want to go back again because it was amazing. I will put some shots after this because you have this really beautiful skyline in the background and then the Mangrove National Park where you're going through. It was amazing, we had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed today. It just made me forget a little bit about that I'm working on a cruise ship right now because I was just enjoying so much outside. It was literally amazing and I hope to go soon again. Here will come some shots. It's the end of the day. It's literally almost 12 o'clock midnight. So I'm gonna head to bed. Tomorrow it's a new day, a new port, new adventures. I'm very excited. See you next time.